how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Just want to make sure you weren't having car trouble.
No, just waiting for the siren.
Oh, okay, I'm Jason. I'm the emergency management director.
I'm Brandon.
Okay, cool. Doing a piece or?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Just go around and film
Okay.
sirens.
Okay, what's your YouTube channel?
Midwest CWS.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm kind of addicted to them too. So.
Yeah, has this one been working lately? I thought it seemed like it hadn't moved for a couple years.
We got it working last. Trying to think when it should, unless something's wrong with it. We got it working. It had a. Trying to think what was wrong with it now. It just hadn't had good maintenance, so we greased it, and it kicked off and turned. So it just, I guess, just didn't want to turn. So.
Yeah, I wondered if that's all that was wrong.
Yeah, they're pretty sturdy things. We had a problem in Boswell, and then we got that one taken care of. So we're checking them out before storm season hits.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, it's severe weather week going
yeah.
on. So.
Oh yeah, we had a bad last week with losing one of our paramedics. So.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I'm trying to get back on track to do some severe weather week stuff. But
yeah.
So yeah, but yeah, cool. Heck yeah. So we're getting ready to kick off.
Yeah, it should be.
Yell at dispatch, make sure everybody's in position. So I'll look up your. I'm addicted to them. I've got my 12-year-old son. He is too. Anytime we're somewhere, hey, check that one out. So
Yeah, there's a whole Indiana statewide map that a bunch of us enthusiasts have made.
There's one over behind the fire station. It's been there for 50 years, and that thing has a cool history. It fell off once.
Really?
They put it back up, and it still works.
Oh, so it's gonna go off today?
Yeah, it'll go off today. So.
Ah.
So yeah, that it's not very high, but they kept it because it still works. So.
Huh. I should have gone to that one instead.
Oh,
These ones are everywhere.
So yeah, no, that's fine. Anytime. So we'll do it again next month. So.